Welcome to Bright Lines, the Trina Attacker experience. Today, we'll show how our geotechnical expertise is embedded through every phase of a solar project, from initial site evaluation to final design. We start by conducting detailed POT campaigns, identifying soil, stratigraphy, anomalies, and hydrological risks. This data allows us to optimize the foundation design by studying the different options to be implemented, such as tile ramming, the use of screw piles, pre-drilling, micropiles, or concrete footings. During the POT campaign, our team supervised the installation of foundation, ensuring the execution aligns with the design. We verify ramming depths, sectional changes, loads, and displacement, adapting in real time to unexpected site conditions. Our integrated approach, combining in-field supervision, advanced analysis of soils and atmospheric corrosion, ensures every foundation is both durable and optimized for efficiency. At Trina, geotechnical expertise is more than a department. It's a continuous commitment to risk mitigation, performance optimization, and delivering solar projects built to last.